Morning.
Hey, where's Jerry?
I'm Jerry retired. Yeah, I couldn't take any more of this bustling pace. I'm Danny.
Hey, Henry. Are you, 2346?
Right, thank you, Henry. So what are you fishing for?
Peace and quiet. And mackerel.
Heading out to Breacher's Point?
Oh, is that what you recommend?
It seems like a nice enough day for it. Not much of a live and let live guy, I take it.
Oh, deathly allergic to bees. You a student or just a fish whisperer?
Working my way through grad school. Marine biology.
UGA Darien.
Go dogs.
Well, you be careful around here. There's some, dogs out on these docks, too.
Nothing I can't handle.
Well, I guess I don't have to ask how business is.
Could have been yours. I only asked you 10 times.
Hey, brother.
It's good to see you, Henry.
You too, Jack. What are you doing now? Feeling sexy?
Thanks for coming so quickly.
Of course. You still married?
Yep. Wife's on a shopping trip to Paris. Son's in boarding school. You?
Nope, no wife, no kids, no Paris.
He's to the next war, which is no
Which
war.
is no war. So what you got?
Recognize him?
Who's asking?
Your old friend is afraid you're in trouble. Do you?
I AMF'd him in Liège.
I'll tell you who he was.
Valery Dormov, terrorist.
No. Valery Dormov, molecular biologist who worked here in the States for 30 years.
I read his file. Bio-terrorist.
The file was spiked. I don't know by who.
Why?
I don't know that either.
Where are you getting this from?
A friend. From the other side.
All right, well, I need to talk to him.
Oh, sure. Well, Skype, FaceTime.
I need to talk to him, Jack.
Oh, what the hell? He owes me. I hope I'm wrong. I just want you to be careful. Just make up for all the things I didn't do in my DIA years.
You think you didn't do that in your DIA years? This guy.
I'll tell you who he was.
Valery Dormov, terrorist.
No. Valery Dormov, molecular biologist who worked here in the States for 30 years.
You took a real risk contacting me. I wish you hadn't.
What was I supposed to do?
Love you, brother. You too.
It's a pity. I always liked Henry.
Henry is DIA, Clay. He's one of mine.
He knows you lied to him.
We have a tail on him. Standard protocol for retirement. He'll be contained.
Contained Henry Brogan. He has Dormov's contact. He's gonna pull on that thread until he's pointing a gun at our faces. What about his handler, the bald guy?
Patterson? He won't be happy, but he won't cross me. He'll fall in line.
I'll tie this off. Make it look like a Russian up.
You'll do nothing. I'll tell my team that Henry's gone rogue. I can handle this.
What, after you whiffed 4 times on Dormov? No, you need Gemini.
I will not let you do hits on American soil.
You don't have anyone who can take out Henry Brogan. I do.
We'll clean up our own messes, thank you.
Everything that we've worked for is at stake thanks to your failures. You have one chance not to screw this up. Please. Surprise me.